Sacramento.
Not
Today,
supposed to be on your
KFBK's
phone,
poll
but yet you
question, will you be
are. How
listening
about
to
jumping
presidential
that car
nominee Donald
too?
Trump's convention
And the
speech
license
this evening,
plate?
yes or no? Call pound
I don't know how
250,
he
let us
hasn't
know
gotten
what
busted
you think, and then
doing
also
very
maybe if you're going to be
illegal things.
listening, what do you hope to hear him address tonight? We've got a caller who called in earlier. Let's listen in.
We are definitely going to watch the Republican National Convention tonight. We've been watching all week, and we look forward to former President Trump's message that he has to provide for leading our country for the next 4 years.
And thank you for that phone call. As always, we encourage you to call us and let us know what you think. Right now, it looks like I'm watching live coverage, and Franklin Graham is speaking to the crowd. Prior to that, it was Hulk Hogan. Just ahead on the KFBK Afternoon News, we're going to check the top trending stories. We're going to go in depth on how this year's presidential election might affect the economy and your money. We're going to have KFBK financial expert Kelly Brothers on that. And if you're just about home, remember, hey, Pat Walsh is coming up at 7 with Sacramento's news and talk on KFBK News Radio. Once you're home, tell that smart speaker, play KFBK on iHeartRadio.
Local news, breaking news, traffic and weather. KFBK News Radio, 93.1 FM, 1530 AM, and live everywhere on the iHeartRadio app. Sacramento's news, traffic, and weather station.
Introducing Lumi for Men, and we named him Mando. American-made, doctor-developed, clinically proven whole-body deodorant. Built for men, built for hard work. I'm Dr. Shannon Klingman, the inventor of Mando Whole-Body Deodorant for pits, packages, and feet. Because we all know our pits aren't the only place we get odor. Mando Whole-Body Deodorant is different from anything you've ever tried before. It stops odor before it starts, powered by our acidified technology. Mando controls odor anywhere you have it. My patented whole-body deodorant formula has a...
You have the entirety of Hollywood backing away from Biden. You've got Obama away from Biden, Schiff, Schumer, Pelosi. It's all being leaked. They're not saying it, but it's all out there. I think Schiff actually said it. But either way, they have been working on getting rid of Joe Biden for a while. So, to that end, I just went on the Twitters or whatever you're calling it. So I posted this, and I hope you'll go and you'll repost this, you'll comment on it, because I just want to say, let's go, Joe. It's my take that this is not okay, and I think he deserves to run again. So here's what I wrote.
Oh boy, they care about politics. So stupid. Same old crap every time, eh?